So when we do an altar call and we ask people to publicly step forward to show their repentance, you're saying it's a representation of the spiritual, not because the location has an advantage over praying in your seat.
It's just a term that has developed over the years. If I go to the beach, I stand at the beach and I preach the gospel, I'll make an altar call and I'll say people should come and give you. Is there an altar at the beach? No. An altar call is basically we are asking people to take a step from where they are and get close to God. It's a spiritual step they are taking of faith, but sometimes we ask that they take it also physically. But we must never make the mistake of making the metaphor the reality. The reality is we are calling them to come to Jesus Christ for salvation, for healing, for blessing. They are not coming to the pastor for salvation, healing, and blessing. The pastor is not the altar they are coming to, neither is the front of the church the altar they are coming to. They are making an approach to Christ. And that physical action is supposed to demonstrate a spiritual reality that they are moving from where they are, whether from sin or from their own weakness, from their failures, to the completeness of who Christ offers it to us.
Christian Conversations with Pastor Mensa Otabil.